In this video, we take a look at what material master data is in the SAP system and what role it plays in the overall business process. Material master data is the central source of information for all material-related processes, from procurement and storage to sales. It contains all the important information required for handling a material in the system. This includes the material number, designation, units of measure, dimensions, weight, but also data relevant to purchasing or sales. In some scenarios, for example in conjunction with SAP TM, logistics-relevant data such as dimensions, volumes, or packaging units can also play an important role. In the SAP system, material master data is maintained in different views. For example, there is a purchasing view, an accounting view, an MRP view, and a warehouse view. Each view contains specific information that is relevant to the respective department and its processes. The warehouse view in particular determines how a material is to be managed in the warehouse. For example, whether it is subject to batch management or whether special storage conditions must be observed. Warehouse-relevant data is also maintained in the warehouse management-related views, such as the storage location, where the material is physically stored, or specifics on warehousing, such as labeling requirements, packaging units, or replenishment strategies. For more detailed physical warehouse management, as mapped in SAP EWM, control takes place at a separate level. The classic warehouse view in the Material Master primarily concerns the basic warehouse data in the ERP system. An example of material master data is the information on a T-shirt that a fashion company creates in the SAP system. The T-shirt is recorded in the system as a commodity, i.e., as a finished product that is purchased and sold, with the material type HAWA. It is given a unique material number, for example, TSH 1002, and a descriptive name such as T-shirt basic black, size M. The basic unit of measure is piece, and measures or weight information can also be maintained, such as a weight of 180 grams per piece. This information is stored in the SAP system in various views of the material master. For example, in the basic data view or sales view. They form the basis for ensuring that the material can be processed correctly throughout the entire process, from ordering to sales. A new material is created using transaction MM01. The material is created in the system with a unique material number and then supplemented with the necessary information. Changes to existing materials can be made via transaction MM02. If only information on a material is to be viewed without making changes, transaction MM03 can be used for this. Proper maintenance of material master data is crucial, as it forms the basis for many automatic processes in the SAP system. Incorrect or incomplete material master data can lead to problems in procurement, production, or accounting. In summary, material master data are central data records in the SAP system that bundle all important information about a material, from units of measurement and designations to purchasing or warehouse-related details. They form the basis for numerous processes such as purchasing, warehousing, production, or sales. The SAP system can only work reliably if this data is complete and correctly maintained. Well-maintained material master data is therefore crucial for smooth processes and a uniform database in all departments.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.